guys. This is the tutorial video to help you with Lesson 3, Bubble 8 in MyStar. So this is what yours might look like. You might have it blank. Remember, I told you to write 3 sentences about anything. You might have the 3 sentences there. You could change the 3 sentences, but I did grade you based on whether or not your 3 sentences were done correctly. Mine right now probably would get the insufficient score grade, because even though I have 3 sentences, over here on the right, it doesn't look like 3 sentences. I'm not going to walk you through it on there, but what I am going to do is we're going to go to Bubble 9, and we'll do the one there step by step to make sure it's done correctly. So I did post the HTML tag glossary to our Google Classroom, but if we look at this, they do have 3 sentences, one written on each line over here in the workspace. In our tag glossary, we see the P, but remember we have to have an opening tag for our paragraph and a closing tag for our paragraph. We should be thinking about this as if we're telling another computer, start a new paragraph now. This sentence should be on its own. Computer, end that paragraph. All right, so we would do less than / P greater than, and then we want to tell the computer start another new paragraph. So then we do less than P greater than. So this is again our opening tag. We put this at the start of every paragraph. Closing tag, we put it at the end. So now if I click refresh and save, I have all 3 lines. But this still wouldn't receive that good of a score because it has this pink here, which means we have a mistake. That does not mean we have a mistake in the line that pink is on. It means we have it in the line above it. So if we look at line 8, this is not the right way, right? We want P at the start, and then at the end we want /P. Now there's no pink. We have 3 lines in our workspace. We have 3 lines in our preview. This is exactly what it should look like for our Bubble 8. Good luck. Let me know if you're still having any issues.